Abu Hamza Ali, he is also in the translation booth, listening to the Arabic translation. Allah prohibited alcohol in 3 stages. Many Arabs say the first 2 stages have been abrogated with the coming of the 3rd. Why did not Allah just reveal that alcohol was prohibited straight away, and has any verse of the Holy Quran been abrogated?
We don't believe in abrogation of any verses by any other verses. It's absolutely wrong. The fact is that according to the old custom inherited by the Arabs, the companions of the Holy Prophet used to drink, but the verses of the Quran warned them against it. And it used the term "Va'antum sukara." Don't go near the prayer. Don't go to worship God when you are not into your full senses. Now, sukara applies also to the overwhelming sleep. So it's a word used for both drinking and sleep as well. When you can't command your senses and your thoughts, then you must not try to worship God, because you may say things which are out of your control. Now, this was how the Arab society was gradually prepared. There was no abrogation at all. Arab society was being gradually prepared to ultimately completely reject alcoholism or drinks of alcohol in any form. So when the final verse was revealed, it is reported that Hazrat, not only one Hazrat, but many companions, in fact, of the Holy Prophet, were in the state of drinking. They were in a drinking party. When they heard this news that someone went to tell them on the beat of drum, tell the whole of Medinites to the beat of drum, that alcohol is totally forbidden. So, when they were in that revelry, this announcement reached them. They started breaking the, what do we call it? Pitchers, etc. Yes. One of them raised objection and said, let's find out first from Rasulullah Sallam whether it is on his behalf that he is saying. He is announcing this announcer. Now the answer of the party was, we'll break the pitchers first and go to inquire afterwards. So ever since, alcohol was completely forbidden. And unfortunately, although the Muslims, they are here in London as well, who call themselves Muslims but drink alcohol like water, but it is forbidden. They will be held answerable.